Hey YouTube, working on some brakes, 1931 Chevy, and what has happened on the backing plate here, there's a couple cables. This doesn't have hydraulic brakes. I'm replacing these. These go in the back here. I'll show you over here. They go like that, and those cables go in there. This one's broken. That was off the other side, and this one's completely gone. And picked these up on eBay. And they look to be a little thicker. So these are probably the original here that broke, and whoever made these made them a little thicker. I haven't tried one. I'm hoping they're gonna fit. They go on there like that. Then the cables go in there. Let me show you. Put that one in there like that. And then you take this thing here, and it's got a hole in it. And see how the hole is kind of further to the left here? That'll go there like that. Then you take this, and that goes in there like that to hold that in place on the cable. Then the other cable comes in and goes through the other hole on that thing, the bottom hole there, like that. And this right here, will go in there like that, kind of like this. And how these brakes work, you pull on this cable, which pulls this and pulls this, or pushes that, I suppose. It would pull it, I guess. And that actuates the brakes. Just like that. So, anyway, that's what we're doing. And I don't know why these break. Well, maybe just old cast iron or cast aluminum. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Thought I'd show everybody that just in case you had this problem. Can't imagine too many people having this problem, but at any rate, thanks a lot for watching. Catch you later.